Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add story on Facebook. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on Create a Story. Tap on Continue to allow Facebook to access your camera roll. Now select a photo or video that you want to upload on your story. Go ahead and tap on the share button at the bottom right of your screen to share your story. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.